So I just grew my Instagram account by over 1,000 followers in just 30 days. I know, it's insane. And what's crazy about the strategy I've used is that 98% of my followers are my ideal target audience. And so I'm going to break down the full strategy of exactly how I did it in this video. I'm going to touch on the 5 top things that I did to achieve this goal. And I want you to make sure that you stay until the end and make sure you at least listen to the 4th strategy that I've used to build this incredible account so fast, because it is a game changer that I feel most Instagram gurus tend to gatekeep. So I'm going to break down the full strategy, the 5 top things I did and what you need to do to get the same results. And before I go any further, my name's Digital Tish. I am a content creator. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Also, be sure to check out my Passive Income with Instagram Accelerator course, because it shows you exact strategies that you could use to just accelerate your growth that much quicker. So let's get into it. So the first thing I want to say is that this strategy could be used whether you're a content creator, service provider, whether you have a coaching company, whatever type of business model you have the capability of growing to at least 1,000 followers in 30 days. Okay. The strategy works literally for any business. Okay. And so the first thing that I want to talk about that I did to achieve these incredible results is mindset and consistency. Okay. I want to make sure that you notice that I did not talk about motivation. Okay. And the reason I'm not going to talk too much about motivation is because motivation is a temporary burst of emotion that excites you enough to start doing something, but motivation tends to not linger around. So you could be motivated on Monday to get a job done, and by Wednesday, you feel burnt out and not motivated and not want to complete the necessary task you need to achieve your goal. And so with that being said, I talk about mostly mindset and consistency because your mindset is going to be a key factor in ensuring that you're not listening to all these self-limiting beliefs you may be hearing at the back of your head, or listening to other people who are saying that they're not getting the results that they were hoping for, and that it's not possible, and that this is a scam, and that you have to have a big following already to achieve this quick results. None of that are things that I want you to listen to. I want you to have a very strong mindset going into this and understand that I was able to achieve this with a brand new account. Okay, brand new account. And it's very achievable as long as you're consistent, okay? And so with consistency, it's being able to show up every single day, regardless of how you feel, regardless of what's going on, if it's your daughter's birthday party, if it's Christmas, whatever is going on in your life, if you're working your 9 to 5, I want you to still show up, be consistent, and post to Instagram, okay? Still show up and do what needs to get done. Okay, so that's the first strategy. By the way, I want you guys to comment what your goals are for Instagram and in what time frame you think you're going to be able to do it. If you can comment that below, that would be huge. Okay. And I also want to share with you guys my Instagram page. This is the Instagram page that I was able to grow within 30 days by over 1,000 followers. It's insane. You're going to see this is the time that I started posting on this page. I think it was November 16th. And then within a month, it was just crazy. I was able to grow by over 1,000 followers, which is insane. So you have to imagine, as a business owner, having 1,000 potential clients, following your page is extremely powerful, right? These are my dream potential clients. Some of them have already become my clients. This is the crazy part. Within the 30 days, I'm already making sales. So I sell digital products, and I'm already making sales from these followers. It's really insane. Like, they're buying my products. They're like, my inbox is full. I cannot keep up with my inbox. They're responding to my videos. Like, I think I have one video currently like just gaining traction, and I have over 42 comments on that video. Like, guys, like, this is insane. Okay, it's not magic. I didn't pay to get these followers. They're not fake followers. They're not bots. These are genuine, real followers. I didn't do any like follow train. I didn't collaborate with any, big Instagram users. I didn't do any of that. Okay, this is all very genuine, very realistic strategies to gain followers. Okay, so let's get into the second strategy, which is you making sure that your bio is properly optimized. And I do go into this training in this video here, which I want you to please watch after watching this video, because it breaks down some eye-opening strategies that helps you to get followers, right? And when you think about it, it's so important that your bio is well optimized, because the attention span of the average Instagram user has plummeted significantly because of TikTok. So when they're coming on your page, they are only taking, 3 seconds, 5 seconds to determine if they want to follow you or not. And if your page isn't clear, letting them know why they should follow you or why they shouldn't follow you, they're just going to move on to the next page and not follow you. So having a well-optimized bio is a key strategy in ensuring that you're growing your followers quickly. The third strategy is making sure that you're using trending audio. Okay, trending audio. I don't know why we have this like dust bunny, but anyways. So the third strategy is making sure that you're using trending audio. Okay, so trending audio is super important. It's the audio that has the arrow. So just like this, it has the arrow going up. And ideally, you want to use trending audio that has less than 10,000 uses. Okay, if it has less than 10,000 uses, that means that there's a good chance that you could use it and get some good reach. That's a really great way for you to get some new eyes on your page, because the goal is not to create content for your followers, right? We're trying to create content. We're trying to create the nurture content for our current followers, but to get that new group of top of funnel followers, we need to ensure that we have the right audio that can make sure that we're getting the right reach through our reels. Okay, so trending audio is really important. I do talk a lot more about my about the strategies for trending audio, how to find trending audio, how to use certain audio that could really help you to go viral, that could really help you to gain a lot more followers very quickly in my passive income accelerator course. So if you're interested in that, I could tell you right now, it's a complete game changer course to really help just accelerate your growth on Instagram. So if you're interested in that, make sure to click the link in my bio, and also link in the description, and also the link in the first comment. Okay, and so the next strategy, which is, again, this is the fourth strategy, guys, I'm telling you right now, is like it's something that is so gatekeeped, and it's something that you see every day. Like if you're on Instagram every day, you're seeing the strategy, but you don't realize that it is a strategy, and it is the editing of a video. And we go through this in full detail in my passive income course. I actually share my screen, my iPhone screen, and I show you exactly what editing styles will get you more volume of potential clients and potential viewers and potential followers. So I go through that strategy in full detail, because editing style is so important for keeping people on your page and making people feel engaged enough to want to follow you. Okay, so editing is so underutilized, and making sure that you're adapting to the right editing style based on the video type is really important. And a lot of people underestimate this. They think that they can just put up any B-roll film or them just talking, and then they're going to get a lot of traction. And that's not how the algorithm works. You have to put in the effort in your editing in order to see the good results, okay? And it doesn't have to be 20 minutes of editing. Guys, it takes me 10 minutes. 10 minutes from start to finish to post my reel, to post a carousel, I have my system so dialed in that I make sure that it doesn't take more than 10 minutes because I have 2 young kids. I have a 4-year-old, I have a 1.5-year-old, I have a husband, I have a dog, I have fishes. I don't have the time, guys, to be spending 30 minutes editing a video to try and get followers. Nobody has time for that. So you want to make sure that your editing is down packed, that you're doing the necessary things with your video to ensure that it's just going to quickly get your video out there, okay? And then the 5th strategy is making sure that you're analyzing your data. Analyze the reels that are actually working for you. Analyze the carousels that are working for you and keep doing those same reels. Just change the hooks, change the call to action, change the trigger words, change the caption a little bit, right? Include that storytelling, include the you can still include the same text on screen, but maybe with a different type of video, like a different type of B-roll in the background, right? So use the videos that you have had success with on your page and keep reposting it. Keep doing it, okay? If it was successful before, you need to make sure you're doing it again because it's going to be successful again. I have stopped posting what I want to post on my Instagram page, and that's something that's going to be very hard for you to do. You have to take your pride and ego aside and post what works. Post what has been proven to get results on your Instagram page and not what you want to post. Okay, if you want to personally post pictures and videos to your friends and family, that is not a business page. That is a hobby page. You need to have a separate family and friends page and have a strictly business page. Okay, and I talk a lot about whether you should start a new page or whether you're not starting a new page on this video. So I would strongly recommend that you click that video if you want to watch that strategy.